In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily decrease the size of your position on Bybit. If you want to get the best sign-up bonus possible on Bybit, make sure to go down to the video description, click on the first link, and you will get to exactly this page right here, and you can get up to $30,000 in welcome bonuses. As you can see, I'm using the demo trading mode right here. If you want to use it too to try out the platform, you can simply get there by going up here to Tools and then click on Demo Trading. If you sign up with the link down from the video description, you will also get immediately $50,000 of demo funds that you can then use to try out the platform. So as you can see, I currently have this long position open right here. It's currently $30,000 big. And if I want to decrease that position size, I can easily do that by just going here to the right side, click on market, and then I can choose how much percent of the trade I want to close, or basically make it smaller, or I can also type it in here. So let's say I want to close like a third of it. I can just put it here to 33%, then click on confirm, and you will see now it's down to 20,000. Before it was at 30,000, now it's down to 20,000. And that's how you can just easily always click on market, choose how much you want to close, and therefore reduce the size of your opened position. Make sure to create your account on Bybit by using the link down from the video description to get up to $30,000 in welcome bonuses. And if you have any more questions, feel free to ask them in the comments.